Dinner Party Challenge. How to seat guests at the table according to their preferences. Conditions of the problem: we're going to invite 10 guests to a dinner party. We surveyed guests to find out their preferences for interacting with each of the other guests on a scale of 9 to 1. We have a round table of a certain diameter for 10 seats. We want to seat guests at the table in such a way as to take into account the preferences of guests in communication as much as possible. That is, guests who prefer mutual communication sat as close to each other as possible. This is our table and seats. Let the table diameter be 8 meters. We can calculate distances seats places using the formula for the chord of a circle. This is a table of guest preferences, that is, how much each guest prefers to communicate with others. Mathematically, we want to find the distribution of all guests to different seats in order to minimize the sum of the distances multiplied by the respective preferences. It turns out that this is a quadratic assignment problem, one of the most difficult problems of combinatorial optimization. You can read more on this subject on Wikipedia. Here we discuss only the practical aspects of our task. To solve our problem, we choose Cap Solver from the Microsoft App Store. We are preparing data for Cap Solver in the form of an Excel workbook with 2 sheets. In the first sheet we copy the data from the distance table, in the second, from the table of preferences. We run the program, load our workbook, solve our problem, and save the solution as an Excel workbook. Open the workbook with the solution, the details sheet. Here index A is the seat number, row number from the distance matrix, and index B is the guest number, row number from the preference matrix. Thus, our task is solved, and we know how to seat our guests. It's all. Thank you.